Hi, I am Sherry. Today I will make rhubarb crumble. Jam with a crumble topping is the simplest way to make dessert in my eyes. I will make it with the butter we made last time. Yes, we have used up all the homemade buttermilk last time. And now, it is the turn for the butter. I not only rescued a bottle of buttercream at a reduced price, I also bought this, rhubarb. I never tried it in China since I have never seen it before in China, but I am totally in love with it. Chop it and stir it with sugar. You can choose any kind of sugar you like. Add a little bit of water. It's a very fast way to make jam. The cinnamon is optional. Simmer them until they boil. Stir and put the lid again for 3 to 5 minutes until softened. Then we remove the lid. Let the water evaporate until thicken. Also remove the cinnamon sticks. The jam is ready. Let it cool down entirely to keep them in the freezer if you don't want to have them at present. The homemade butter I made last time, let's make crumble now. The butter is just out from the refrigerator, and try our best to chop and divide it into small pieces. Never use the softened butter, unless you like messy fingers. Cold butter is easier to mix and to rub. Let the double-sized flour to the butter, chop and stir nice and slowly. Put as much sugar as you like, then rub the mixture, not with your palm, just fingers. Crumble should be loose, like sand. Also, keep it in the freezer until you want them. And when you want to make it, just put the jam into the mold, flatten, and add a crumble topping. I also add custard sugar to build a chewy texture. Then bake for only 20 minutes. I am Sherry. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and hit the bell, then you will not miss my new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.